All right, welcome. April 15th, tax day 2020. But guess what? All you slaves out there don't have to pay your taxes until July. Welcome to another Crypto and Coffee, your morning jolt of financial markets, crypto, equities, commodities, and more. Thanks for joining me. Let's get into this. Interesting day today. And remember, if you're new to crypto, if you're new to Bitcoin, if you've heard about Bitcoin, but you just don't know how to get started yet, be sure to check out my website, galactictrust.com. A lot of great information in there to help you get started. You can also grab a copy of my free book, Crypto Investor Secrets, How to Capitalize on the Greatest Investment Opportunity in History. All of that is free. Just go check out my websites. Link is in the description. Let's check out crypto. Well, let's refresh this page from yesterday. How about that? Crypto looking down. Bitcoin down 2.2%. Ethereum down 1.3%. And XRP following along down 1.3%. Total market cap sitting at $193 billion, down 2.1% from yesterday. Bitcoin dominance down 0.1%. We're sitting at 63.9% dominance over the rest of the group. Still phenomenal buying opportunity in the crypto space, in my opinion. Little disclosure. I'm just a guy on the internet that likes the crypto and hates the government. And just trying to share with you this incredible opportunity. So we can see Bitcoin, it's turning down. Let's see, we're pretty even as far as these daily closes go. But today we're testing. We'll see what's going to happen. We'll see, RSI is starting to point down a little bit. In my opinion, the energy is just flat. It's flat. And now we have a better chance of going down than we have of going up because we've been in a downward trend for so long. Binance Coin monthly gain exceeds 151%. So BNB, let's look at that real quick. Interesting. I saw another article. Big move brewing for Bitcoin, but but stocks will decide 6K or 8K. Bitcoin is trading down 1.72% over the last 24 hours and 1.5% for today's session. Looking at performance relative to its peers, and in contrast, Ethereum and EOS have also posted losses over the last 24 hours, but remain somewhat more resilient. As a result, Bitcoin dominance is down 63.7%. Bitcoin closed last week with a fourth consecutive green candle, which was also the fourth consecutive time that there has been a solid rejection of the 100-week moving average, which lies at a little over 7,000. Okay, so I'm not going to read the whole article. Definitely go do your own due diligence. But like I've said in the past few, I'm looking to my first buying opportunity. Go back to my charts, about $5,600, $5,700, and then I got another buy order sitting in at $4,700. So I don't think we're out of the woods yet. In fact, I think we got some big panic, ahead of us with all these states talking about opening shop back up, so on and so forth. It's a very precarious times that we're in right now, friends. Okay, Ethereum, same thing, looking really flat over the last few days. We're looking for a decision to be made. We're looking for a decision to be made, either to break up through that 50-day moving average and continue, because these moving averages are so close right now. If we break the 50, then we have to compete against 100. Inside China's plan to power global blockchain adoption. More investors are holding Bitcoin ahead of the halving. So again, a lot of people are holding, not a lot of people are coming in. Many people who are into crypto are going to be millennials, and millennials, I don't think very many millennials have a lot of disposable income to be investing into crypto right now. In fact, I just read an article yesterday talking about a lot of people are taking that $1,200 and buying food because they don't have any money. Chinese state-owned bank offers test interface for Public Bank of China central bank digital currency. That'll be interesting. Bailouts don't save the economy. They prop up companies that should be allowed to fail. Wow, that is so true. I would definitely take a look at this article, guys, because this is true. This is what I talk about all the time. This is fake. It's fake. This whole recovery, the stock market, all of it, this is all fake. Some big, crazy stuff just around the corner. And that's my mission, is to try to help you navigate through this stuff. XRP trending lower. This is, I mean, it's just good buying opportunities. Will we be able to hold 18 cents? Will we fall back down to, it's only been good stuff. Good stuff, right? And then XRP news, nothing mind-blowing. But what I really want to talk about today, Dow Jones down, could not break that 24,000. Tried a couple times, but just like Dikembe Mutombo, not in my house. Got rejected. Let's see what's going to happen. CNBC, sell-off on Wall Street accelerates as Dow tumbles 700 points. Stocks fell sharply on Wednesday as dismal economic data and weak bank earnings fueled concerns over the virus's impact on the economy. I mean, JP Morgan, profits down 50% Q1. Bank of America, roughly 50% again. I mean, they're just getting beat up. The Dow Jones dropped 700 points, or nearly 3%. The S&P 500 slid 2.9%, while the NASDAQ composite traded 2.1% lower. Bank of America traded more than 5% lower on the back of disappointing earnings. Citigroup fell more than 4%. Energy and financials were the worst performing sectors in the S&P 500, dropping more than 4% each. If this is the precursor to what we can expect throughout the U.S., there's no word for it, said Quincy Crosby, chief market strategist at Prudential Financial. It reflects the complete shutdown. It reflects the complete shutdown. The economy shut down, guys. I mean, you got farmers. I live in Idaho. Got a lot of onion farmers in particular that are just letting their crops go to waste. They're just throwing it away. Because if you're not going to restaurants, that's a lot of food. Just to give that example alone, just restaurants. So the economy's shut down right now. That's why I always go back to, this is fake. This should be crashing. If this were a true barometer of the economy, this would be crashing. Just like this. This shows that we are moving into a new world, not new world order or any of that conspiracy type mumbo jumbo, but a new world. Okay, we're moving out of fossil fuels into more renewable, conscious energies and things like that. And you can see that this is just the people in control, freaking central bankers, crooks, printing money and pumping it back in. It's a con game. It's confidence. That's what a con artist is short for. Confidence artist. Gains your confidence, rips you off. They have gained your confidence over the years, and now they're ripping you off. They've been ripping you off the entire way, though. But I digress. we move forward. Gold still above 1,700, loving it. I mean, gold is just looking fantastic. I love gold. Gold. But silver, gosh, if I were buying metals right now, I'd be dumping it all into silver. I would love to, I would highly suggest having 1 ounce of gold, but I'd have 10,000 ounces of silver. Goldsilver.com. Remember, if you haven't gotten your free copy of Mike Maloney's book, Guide to Investing in Gold and Silver, be sure to get it right now. The link is in the description. It is a free book. It will change your life. If you're an investor, an aspiring investor, or someone that's just tired of being ripped off, you got to get that book. Sell-off on Wall Street accelerates. We just read that. Bank of Canada launches additional QE in provincial and corporate bonds. The economy is clearly in ruins here. Banks take drastic steps to avoid being seen making money off virus. Ooh, that's interesting. Follow the Fed. That probably means invest in what they're investing in. I wouldn't do that. Okay, and then finally, my MTI club. If you want to earn, anywhere from 0.5% to 1% per day on your Bitcoin compounded every single day, check out mymticlub.com. You can see the description the link is in the description. Go check it out. Right now, we're up 85,000, almost 86,000 Satoshi. All I've done was deposited $200 in Bitcoin, 0.024 Bitcoin. And, just been averaging about 0.5% a day. Yesterday, 17,000 Satoshi, 13,000 Satoshi, 435 Satoshi, 17, 12, 5, 8,000 Satoshi. Let's look at that real quick. Okay, so right now, one Satoshi is worth, I don't even know what that is, 6 10,000ths, or I'm sorry, I'm a high school dropout, so that decimal place, what is that? That's a million total, right? That's a million. So I don't know, do the math yourself, but one Satoshi. I'm telling you, mark my words, one day, one Satoshi will be equal to $1. One Satoshi, and one Satoshi is 1 millionth. Is it a millionth? Boom. It could be 100 million, 99. I don't know. Now my brain is hurting. I wish I knew how to edit video so I could have that one screen where the math is going all over the place. But anyways, right now is the time you just want to accumulate Satoshi or Bitcoin. Because when one Satoshi is worth one Satoshi is worth $1, I just made $86,000. But at that point, an apple will probably be $100,000, one apple. Okay. But anyways, definitely check the link in the description. If you'd like to join my team, we've been testing a lot of passive income opportunities like MTI. My partner has been testing this program for over a year now with phenomenal results. So he's sometimes gotten upwards of 1% per day. So we've got some other things that we're testing right now that we'll be sharing with you down the road. But I appreciate so much you taking the time to watch this video. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe and comment below. Really appreciate you. If there's anything we can do, just be sure to reach out. Again, all the links are in the description below. Have a great, whatever today is. I don't even know what the days are anymore in this crazy world we live in. Have a great day.